What is the process for transferring money from an American Express gift card to a bank account?
Hello, finance navigators. In today's guide, we're going to help you understand the process of transferring money from an American Express gift card to a bank account. This process can sometimes be a little tricky, but with the right steps, it can be managed efficiently.
Can you directly transfer money from an Amex gift card to a bank account?
Before we jump into the process, let's understand one key point. Direct transfers from an American Express gift card to a bank account are usually not possible. These cards are designed for direct payments for goods or services and not typically for deposit into a bank account.
What is the alternative method?
Given the limitations, you're probably wondering, what's the alternative? A common workaround is to convert the gift card balance into cash or a check, which can then be deposited into your bank account. Let's dive into the details of how this can be done. 2.1 Purchase a money order. One of the most common ways to convert your Amex gift card into cash is to purchase a money order. This can often be done at your local grocery store, pharmacy, or a USPS post office. 1. Visit a location that sells money orders and uses your American Express gift card as a debit card. 2. The money order can then be deposited into your bank account. Please note that some places may not accept a gift card as payment for a money order, and you should check their policies before attempting this method. 2.2 Peer-to-peer payments. Another alternative is to use a peer-to-peer payment app like Venmo or PayPal. 1. Use your gift card to send money to a friend or family member who also uses the same app. 2. They can then transfer the received amount back to you, which you can subsequently deposit into your bank account. Remember, this method will only work if the app accepts your gift card as a form of payment. 2.3 Selling the gift card. Another way is selling the gift card online or in person. There are many platforms where you can sell your gift card for cash. Just be cautious of any potential scams and be aware that you may not get the full value of the gift card in return. We hope this guide has been helpful in understanding the process of converting your American Express gift card into a bank deposit. While it may not be straightforward, it's definitely possible with a little bit of extra effort. As always, we advise you to be aware of all fees and potential issues associated with these methods. Safe banking to all!